If you're seeing a Mailchimp error 401, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to troubleshoot it step by step. This error usually means there's a problem with authentication, and in many cases, it comes down to an incorrect API key, a mismatch in your Mailchimp data center, or even old browser data getting in the way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to check your account settings, verify your API key, and clear your browser cache and cookies to help fix the issue. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, open Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Account and Billing. This is where Mailchimp keeps important account level settings, including the tools you need for API access. On the Account and Billing page, look for the Extras tab and click it. Inside the Extras section, you'll see an option called API Keys. Click API Keys to open the page that lists all of your Mailchimp API keys. Now take a careful look at the key you're using. One of the most important things to check is whether your server prefix in the endpoint URL matches your Mailchimp datacenter. For example, you might see something like US19 or US6. That prefix needs to match the datacenter region attached to the end of your API key. If those don't match, Mailchimp may reject the connection and show a 401 error. So double check the key, double check the endpoint, and make sure everything is aligned exactly. If you copied the API key recently, make sure there are no extra spaces before or after it. Even a tiny formatting mistake can cause authorization to fail. If the key looks correct and you're still getting the error, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. This is a simple step, but it often fixes problems caused by outdated session data or corrupted login information. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. That opens the Clear Browsing Data window. In the menu, select Cookies and Cache. Make sure you uncheck the other options if you only want to remove those two items. Then click Delete Data. After that, close your browser completely and reopen it so the changes take effect. Once your browser restarts, sign back in to Mailchimp and try the action again. In many cases, that alone is enough to resolve the 401 error. If it still persists, go back and recheck the API key one more time, because the most common cause is usually either an invalid key, the wrong data center, or stale browser data. And that's it. You've now gone through the key steps to fix Mailchimp error 401 by checking your API keys, confirming the endpoint region, and clearing cache and cookies. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.